The LRM House, a collaborative vision of Amanda Castro and Giovana Giosa from Studio AG for SAAG Arquitetura, sits nestled in a verdant corner of São Paulo, a city renowned for its relentless pulse. But here, within the quiet hum of a green neighborhood, a sanctuary was conceived. Its 435 square meters footprint, seemingly modest on a narrow, 370 square meters plot, speaks not of constraint, but of ingenious concentration. The density of its neighbors immediately dictated the narrative, a life lived facing inward, towards the front and back sides of the site, optimizing for light and privacy. The very act of arrival is an initiation. Before one steps into the main living space, a guardian stands watch. A vibrant graffiti artwork by the Brazilian artist Crânio, depicting a blue tribal character, dominates the entrance. The residents, deeply connected to this piece, describe it as the protector of the house. This shared belief is more than mere decoration. It is the first tangible sign of the family's essence, a testament to how the planned space has been transformed into a living, breathing home. To plan a house is to anticipate a spatial rhythm, to orchestrate a good flow for a particular lifestyle. The LRM house, however, transcends mere functionality. It becomes a true home through the way its inhabitants live, a life rich with a profound love for art, a passion that radiates from every corner. The architecture itself, therefore, is a canvas, designed through the careful interaction of solids and voids, and how these elements are dematerialized to manipulate light and perception. The ground floor is the clearest expression of this concept, a masterclass in dissolved boundaries and contrasting textures. The space is articulated by three coplanar longitudinal axes, each defining a different reality. There is the solid volume, coated in warm, slatted wood, acting as the anchor. Then, the gap, the weighty projection of the upper floor creating a compressed shelter. Finally, the truly immaterial space, the dramatic double-height ceiling, wrapped in a sheer glass facade that draws in zenith lighting. This breathtaking void is not arbitrary, it is born from the lateral detachment of the upper bulk. This architectural maneuver instantly offers the user a powerful sense of implicit temporality. The house is constantly in conversation with the sun. Throughout the day, different solar light beams sweep across the internal spaces, creating a dynamic, ever-shifting contrast of light and shadow against the deliberately restrained and desaturated materials chosen for their desired monotony. The solid wooden block on the ground floor is the operational core. It hosts the kitchen, vertical circulation, a half bath, and the technical area. Crucially, this robust volume does not terminate at the interior wall. It extends itself down to the backyard, effortlessly diluting the limits between interior and exterior. This blurring of lines is essential to the home's ethos, a complete connection to its environment. boundary is further challenged by the use of large glass panels that form the horizontal closure. Designed to be fully retracted inwards, these panels are not static barriers, but enablers. They greatly benefit the air circulation and maximize the amount of natural light flooding the space. Once opened, they solidify the seamless connection with the exterior area, where the laundry and an outdoor kitchen stand ready for use. Attached to the internal kitchen, a sleek metallic pergola extends the living space even further, creating a protected outdoor living area. This extension is bathed in light and ventilation, offering the family a serene, open-air retreat, a perfect intermediary zone between the disciplined interior and the São Paulo sky. The rhythm shifts as one ascends. The upper floor is dedicated to repose and intimacy, housing 3 suites, 2 facing the front facade, 1 tucked away at the back. A cozy family living room acts as the central hub, organizing access to these private quarters, maintaining a sense of closeness and shared space before retreating. The narrative culminates on the 3rd floor, where utility and luxury meet. This space was intentionally constructed to host a home office, a small gym, and a sauna. But the true jewel of this upper stratum is the open-air elevated swimming pool. Positioned to offer a privileged view of the famous Ibirapuera Park, it provides a stunning urban escape, a high-altitude vantage point for reflection and relaxation. Throughout, the house functions as an active facade. The street-facing curtain wall is a rhythmic arrangement of milky glass, composed of fixed panels alternating with bifolded windows. This layered design is functional, protecting the bedrooms while masterfully filtering the harsh sunlight. Even the side facade contributes to the energy of the home, with its rhythmic design of glass panels varying in opacity, enhancing the quality of light and shadow within. This smart manipulation provides excellent thermal quality, supplemented by a cistern for water reuse and photovoltaic plates, cementing the LRM house as a masterpiece of design that is as sustainable as it is sophisticated. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the LRM house. What began as a challenging, narrow plot in São Paulo was transformed by SAAG Arquitetura and Studio AG into a profound expression of light, art, and life. Design teaches us that a small footprint doesn't mean small vision. By playing with solids and voids, by allowing light to stream in through that incredible double-height glass facade, the architects made the narrow feel expansive, the contained feel infinite. The seamless flow from the slatted wood volume inside to the metallic pergola outside shows a brilliant commitment to dissolving boundaries. If you enjoyed this deep dive into modern Brazilian architecture, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tours of the world's most innovative homes. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.